Hi, this is Allie, and I'm super excited to tell you about this new Aztec clay mask that I received. For transparency, I received this product free at no cost. However, it never affects my review. I'm really excited to get started and try this, and I wanted to do this along with you. This is by Etana, and it is a natural Aztec clay mask, and it's really authentic. I already absolutely love everything that it comes with. It's so much fun. It has the Indian healing clay. It has a natural bamboo bowl, which is really cool. It has a knife, a scooper, and a brush to put it on. And also it has Bragg apple cider vinegar, which is just an amazing product to mix with this. I'm super excited to get started. I read the directions. It has me adding equal parts of each of these items, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Oh, it's really bubbling up, which is pretty cool. Now I'm gonna stir the ingredients. Once this is on your face, it says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll have kind of that tightening, almost like a hug to your skin. Let's put this on together. Now I'm gonna leave this on my face for 5 to 20 minutes. I'm probably gonna leave this on for 20 minutes until it's completely dried, and then rinse with warm water, and I will be back to finish my review. Okay, I'm back after doing this amazing mask, and I am so surprised about how much firmer my skin honestly feels, and it really cleaned out my pores. I'm just obsessed with this. I really, really like it. It has really smoothed out my skin, and I love the way it feels. Not just smooth, but tighter and firmer with just these simple ingredients. I'm just so shocked and just over the moon about how amazing this product is, honestly. I absolutely give this a 5 out of 5, and that's my honest review.